Hello everyone, myself Nilay Parekh. In today's lecture, we will discuss more about decision making statement. In today's lecture, we will discuss if-else-if ladder. Means when we have a more than 2, 3, 4, 5 conditions, then in situation we will use if-else-if ladder. The syntax of this concept is, you can see here. First we will write if, then condition, then the statement of that particular condition, then another condition, but here we will write else space if in bracket condition, statement of that condition. Then how many condition you want to write, that is up to you. If I want to write 5 condition, then if condition, else if condition, else if condition, else if condition, else if condition, and last we will write else portion, that is our false part. Means if any of the condition is not true, else is going to be execute. Please focus on the syntax. Now from this syntax, let's understand flowchart. In flowchart, first single input, if condition true, then execute statement, else if condition is true, execute statement, else if condition is true, execute statement. If any of the statement is execute, directly move to the statement X or stop. If your any of the condition true portion is not true, that means if condition is not true, else if condition is not true, else if condition is not true, then it will directly move to the default portion, that is our else statement, and direct to statement X or stop. From this syntax and flowchart, let's understand a small program. We want to find whether your result is distinction, first class, second class, pass class or fail. In this program, we will use logical AND operation along with this decision making statement. So first we will write our header file hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h. Then we will write void main function. Then our variable for percentage is per. You can take it integer, float. Here I am taking integer, int per. Enter your percentage, scanf your percentage. Now we need to find out our percentage is in distinction, first class, second class, pass class or fail. So as per syntax, first we will write if. In condition we will write percentage greater than equals to 66, then printf you secured distinction. Else space if your percentage is less than 60 and greater than equals to 65, that means first class. Else if your percentage less than 50 and greater than equals to 59, then second class. If your percentage less than greater than 35 and less than equals to 49, that means pass class. Else fail. Here you can see the program. If we are inputting percentage as a 68, so output will be you secured distinction. So for in today's session, we understood if-else-if ladder. You can solve many of the problem with the help of this concept. I prepared a small quiz regarding this concept. The link is mentioned in description. If you have any query or error, please mention us in comment section. So we are signing off for today. Thank you.